All right, so in this session I will explain you the anonymous class in simple concept and understand this part. Okay, I just created a class student and have a student has a name, public, void, details, just printing student details, s out, uh, name, say Feroz Muhammad. That's it. Just give very simple thing. You can add do many things, right? This part and have assume uh, public class bachelor is a bachelor student extends student. Okay, so when I say extend, it must be override, right? Public void details. Let me remove the public because it says public because of class. I just remove it. Okay, student s out bachelor student or a student details. I just this is not a student, printing student details. This is the correct way. Bachelor student. Okay, some bachelor student. Now what is here? I will create a class test 3, of course, or I can say anonymous. Okay, anani. What is anani? I don't know. Anyway, anonymous, because I have already anonymous here. I cannot use the same thing. Anonymous. I can use here anani. Yes, example. Right. Then it should be meaningful. PSVM is a testing class, and I can call a method by using a bachelor. B equal to new BACHELOR bachelor, and you say here B dot details. So I'm sure, teacher, what are you doing? You are doing the same thing, right? So we'll change it. So we learned it, we'll change the program, then you understand the concept here. So on the file, you see the, obviously you should go to the bachelor because you have created a bachelor object. So you're calling a bachelor, right? So basically we always create a student like a subclass, right? So but what if a student has I mean a bachelor, this student has only one method, I mean this is only one class, and to implement, I mean like here there is no other methods, there is no other class, there is no other method to override, only one single method to override, only single method in this class. There is nothing, assume there is nothing, I'm not extending anything, I'm not having anything here. So for that one, why should I create another class? I don't want another class, right? I don't want any other class. I just want to change the behavior of this code. Because what are you doing here? You see, you are having a class printing the details, right? Student details. Now you're changing the behavior as a bachelor student. You're doing some another operations, right? So I don't want it. I don't want to create, because since it is only one here, I don't want it to create another one. If it is only one, if it is only one, only you can, only one method in your student, only one method, only one. That's called it is basically support with abstract here. Okay, so I can go with abstract here. Basically this will be good. Abstract. Then what is the best solution is work like this. Now for abstract, what do you have to do? Abstract, right? Either you go with this approach or you create a class. You create a class and with details. Now only one method here, right? I had to create object for that and again provide the details. If it is only one, okay, only so instead of creating this one, what can I do here? I will do right away because I had to do only once, right? So in this one here, what you are going to do is now for example here student, for example this is student student here, and what you are going to do is I want to change it. Open, close. Sorry. Make it more easy. I don't want this part, I just take this one, copy, Control X. I will put it here inside the, it's like inner class, it's like a inner class style, class, again the inner class, but there's no class, there's no class, but there is a class inside, okay, like a student. Okay, you see there is no error, look, okay, this part is gone. I don't want the object, I want to create something internally, right? So this is enough, that's it, I can create object. So I did not create any object of bachelor. Did you see I removed bachelor here? Since you have only one method to override only once, in this case you have a class. Where is a class? So this is called anonymous. There is no name for that class. Okay, since I cannot create object for the abstract, but I have added an implementation in the something hidden class, like any class, that is called anonymous. There is no name. Unknown class. Where is that class? Bachelor here is gone, right? So I just beta details, I just print it, run the file. It says printing bachelor details, not the anything, just printing, it is executing, right? So this is anonymous class. All right, so anything I can improve here? So anonymous class basically must go with the abstract class, or you can go direct without abstract class, create one more details here, another details. For example, you want to go with class and you need to add remove the abstract here, then you add here, you see nothing, right? So yes, out, I can say here student class, right? Student. So just run the file, still give bachelor, because I'm printing the details of object, this B. It should print student class, right? No, but it will go with the anonymous. It will go with the anonymous. So that's the thing here, something unknown class, it is overriding the method of this one. Okay, I can say here anonymous, there is no class here, I did not extend anything. So I'm just rewriting the code, I'm enhancing the code. Okay, and this is called anonymous class. Hopefully it's understand.